Keto Homestead with Jess. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I just wanted to get on here and talk to you guys about my YouTube a little bit. I just hit 700 subs. Isn't that amazing? I am so excited. It's like the best day ever. So, when I originally started YouTube, my goal was to hit 1,000 subs within a year. I have 2 months left to reach that goal. So I just want to get on here and reach out to all of my subs and thank you so much. Thank you for following me. Thank you for being there for me. I've had a lot of ups and downs on YouTube. I've had a lot of trolls and stalkers, and if it wasn't for my YouTube community, there's no way I would have made it through all of that. So I just want to thank you so much to all my homesteaders, to all my prepping community, to all my canning and cooking community, to my Filipino community, to all of you. You're amazing. You've helped me so much, more than you'll ever know. And I just hope that this year continues going good, and 2021 is an amazing year. I think it's going to be way better than 2020. I just did a live with Prepper Tried. I just got up on that channel. Go check him out. I had a really great morning with him and his wife, Nisi Tribe. She also has a channel. Check her out. I met some really good people over there. And I want to shout out all of you. Your communities are amazing. My communities are amazing. I just love it. I love YouTube, and I love connecting with people. And I just like helping people. I like the community of it. I like the family of it. And also, remember, if you're thinking about trying a YouTube channel, you're going to have hurdles, but don't let it stop you. And just stay positive. Meet your people. Meet the people that are going to root you on and keep you going. And I just want to thank you all for the 700 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000. I got 2 months. Only 2 months left. I think I can make it to 1,000 subscribers. Also, if you're bored, you want to learn something new, whether it's keto, cooking, homesteading, gardening, it's all on my channel. I'm in all kinds of different niches. So check out. I need watch hours. I have 1,000 watch hours. I need to bump those up. So if you guys have some free time or just want to run my channel in the background, I'd really appreciate that. And I just want to send out all my love to you. And I hope to see you over at my channel, and I will see you all soon. Thank you.